Hello friends, welcome to the sixth part of Hypnosis learning program. In the last part, we understood about the brain waves. If you have not watched that video yet, then please make sure to watch it. In this part, we will learn the 6 stages of hypnosis. We will see what stages a person goes through and when we hypnotize them. The 6 stages of hypnosis. The very first stage is eye catalepsy. Whenever we hypnotize someone, the first thing they will experience eye catalepsy. This means that eyes get stuck together and the person cannot open their eyes. And when this process happens, they have almost entered in the deep state of alpha. Second, muscle catalepsy. In the second stage, as the person goes deeper, they experience muscle catalepsy. This means the whole body gets stuck. They feel as someone has tied them up or their body has become heavy or turned into a stone and now they cannot move it. Third, amnesia. In the third stage, when they enter an even deeper trance, they experience amnesia. In this stage, they start forgetting things, just like you might have seen in the stage hypnosis, where the hypnotist make people forget their name and numbers. Fourth, anesthesia. After that, when they reach the fourth stage, anesthesia happens. Anesthesia means that the body entire physical sensation disappear. This means the person feels no burning sensation and no pain. You might have seen the stage show that a hypnotist pierces a needle into person's hand or burn them with a lighter, but the person do not feel anything. This is because they have reached the anesthesia stage. In the old days, when the medical anesthesia was not available as a medicine, the operations were performed using this kind of hypnotic anesthesia. Fifth and sixth, positive hallucination and negative hallucination. After that, when someone goes into a very deep trance, they reach the hallucination stage. And hallucination here is of two types. First, negative hallucination. In negative hallucination, a thing lying right in front of you cannot be seen. You almost have experienced this too. Sometimes you are looking around for your mobile or keys, but they are right there on the table or even in your pocket, yet you cannot see them. So this is a negative hallucination. Next, positive hallucination. So next is positive hallucination, where things do not exist start appearing to you. Many people feel that they are seeing ghosts and spirits or watching things that other cannot see. So what is that? This is psychological illness and it happens in the hallucination mode. So next we discuss the topic of amnesia and anesthesia in the context of clinical and stage application. Through these 6 stages you can perform complete hypnotism, whether it is stage hypnosis or clinical hypnotherapy. Let's take anesthesia for example. We see in the stage hypnosis that the person do not feel any pain or burning sensation. If you want, then you can use this same concept in the clinical hypnotherapy for pain management. Next is amnesia. In the stage hypnosis, a hypnotist makes a person forget their names, address and telephone numbers. So you can use this same concept in clinical therapy to help someone forget a painful event or accident. In upcoming episode, we will learn steps of hypnosis. Thanks for watching this video.